Welcome back to Chart Postmortem. Today, we are analyzing a devastating 10-candle sequence that exposes the exact mechanics of a retail bull trap. Watch closely how the smart money engineers liquidity at the top before pulling the rug. Let's look at the buildup. Candles 1, 2, and 3 show a steady, controlled bullish movement. But notice the long lower wicks on candles 2 and 3. Institutions were testing the buy orders. Candle 4 is a brief bearish pause, but it is immediately followed by candles 5 and 6, two massive, aggressive green candles. This is the FOMO phase. Retail traders see this sudden explosion and rush to buy, thinking the trend is leaving without them. But candle 6 is the peak of the illusion. It hits a massive psychological resistance level and stops. Now, look at the trap, candle 7. It opens as a bearish candle, but look at that monstrous lower wick. Amateurs see that wick and think, the buyers are pushing it back up. They open buy positions at the top, but they were completely wrong. That wick was a massive institutional liquidity grab. Candle 8 confirms the trap, a heavy red candle that completely invalidates the buying pressure. Once the retail stop losses were hit below candle 8, the market triggered a chain reaction. Candles 9 and 10 are pure, unfiltered institutional distribution. A brutal, aggressive sell-off that completely wiped out hours of bullish effort in just 2 candles. If you bought the wick on candle 7, you became the fuel for the crash. Stop chasing the green. Start tracking the smart money. This is Chart Postmortem.